Hello guys, I am Sogand. Welcome to this video. Please subscribe us on YouTube channel. Today we have another video of meditation. I suggest you continue meditation every minute and everywhere. When do this exercise, you can be alone with yourself. Sit quiet place. Your eyes should be open. Take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Now, slowly close your eyes. Pay attention to your body. Feel you sit on the ground. Pay attention sight sounds. How close or how far? Just feeling. Look at your body. You should be know about feel inside of your mind and know how you breathing. Count your inhale and exhale. Don't think about negative things. Rest to your mind. Now, open your eyes. Thanks for watching. Good job, guys.